Hi guys, I want to teach you how to make this hair jumbo twist. Follow me, let's go. Place the attachment in the middle. You tie the hair, tie it very tight. You start making the hair. Make sure that the twist is very tight and strong. And while making it, make sure you hide the person's hair. Hide it so that it's not going to be visible. Hide the hair and twist very tight. Make sure that the attachment is placed in 2 equal parts. Make sure that you twist it very tight. As you can see, as I'm braiding the hair, I'm hiding the hair so that it's going to appear neat. Make sure that your hair is neat. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, do well by subscribing. Alright, well, let's go to the end of the video. Thank you.